Checkered flag, Glenn Aguilar. Wow! Trek! Okay! Okay kayo! Wow! Wow! Okay, veterans category final. Dito pa rin tayo sa Mabini, Davao de Oro. So managan dia Tristan Galanto, Piping Mar, Watanabe, Rodel Cameros, Glenn Aguilar. Ayan na, binitawan na, veterans category, all shot by the coach, Glenn Aguilar. Yun, no? Glenn Aguilar, followed by Rodel Cameros, Watanabe, Jobe Saulog, Vicky Gabuelo, Piping Mar, Tristan Galanto. Yun, no? Wow! Yan, Glenn Aguilar on the lead, Rodel Cameros, Watanabe, Jobe Saulog. Yan, Glenn Aguilar followed by Rodel Cameros. This is veterans category final here in Mabini, Davao de Oro. Wow, Glenn Aguilar. Oh, the greatest of all times, Glenn Aguilar leading the race. Followed by Rodel Cameros and then followed by Watanabe, Jobe Saulog. Oh. Yan. Piping Mar, Hiki Gabuelo, Tristan Galanto. Ayun, no? This is veterans category final hit. Rodel Cameros and Watanabe. Lah, short Watanabe. Ayun. So, Glenn Aguilar leading all the way. Bukan Rodel Cameros, Watanabe and Jobe Saulog. Sagot. And then Rodel Cameros versus Watanabe. Up. Ika na doon, Watanabe. Ay, nakuha si Hiki ni Tristan Galanto. Ay, grabe bay. Glenn Aguilar bay, layo na kayo, Glenn Aguilar. Malayo na, Glenn Aguilar. Breakaway na by Glenn Aguilar. Ayun, no? Followed by Rodel Cameros and Watanabe San. Jobe Saulog on 4th place. White flag. Wow. Trek. Yan. Wow. Rodel Cameros versus Watanabe, Jobe Saulog. Ayan, inside Watanabe. Outside Rodel Cameros. Ayan. Oops. Boss Tristan! Waiting for checkered flag, Glenn Aguilar. Waiting for checkered flag. Glenn Aguilar. Ayun o. Checkered flag. Glenn Aguilar. Wow! Trix! Okay! Okay kayo! Oy, natumba! Tristan Galanto! Oy, tabangi! Tristan Galanto, natumba! Rodel Cameros! Watanabe! Jobe Saulog! So, Tristan Galanto, natumba kamay! Ayan, so... Ayan, o. Piping Mar! Tawi-tawi! Tawi-tawi! Piping Mar! And Hickey Gabuelo! Ayun, o. Hickey Gabuelo! Ay, pare! Pare Okong! Ayan, Tristan Galanto. Ano nangyari? Malapit na sana. Ayan, Solinay. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please share this video. So, thank you. Congrats to Glenn Aguilar, champion and veterans category.